prepare to be sick of me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on my channel, my name is Stacy, and on this channel we talk about hair, we talk about beauty, we talk about lifestyle, and just anything pertaining to personal growth here and here. So if that's your vibe, then you are in the right place, and please be sure to join the family by hitting that subscribe button down on the bottom. And if you are already old here, then just welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a hair review on this unit that I have in my hair, which is from LuvMe hair. This hair was purchased with my own money. It is a brand that I'm very familiar with. I do have a few units from there. I was looking for a bob hairstyle, and I know I love their 5x5 closures, so I wanted to just try something from them that will kind of like get me fall ready. If you've been following my journey, you know that I tried a fall color and it didn't really work out. And so I was looking for something that's gonna give bob, that's gonna give easy, something that I can just grab and go. It had to be glueless, because if you also know, on my Instagram I've been telling you about my hair journey. So trying to grow my hair to a healthy length and then just keep it healthy overall. Wearing them in protective hairstyles like a wig really helps with my hair growth. I do leave it off during the day so that my hair can breathe. If you are a new time wig wearer, or like a person that just, you know, you're all about the wig and just looking for a new wig, then stay tuned and let's just unbox this video and then show you how I got this hair here. Again, the hair that I'm reviewing today is from LuvMe hair, and I'm gonna just be 100% honest, but my honesty is probably biased because I have been a long time customer. And while they have never ever sent me a free wig, their wig is truly quality. I have a unit that I have had for about 5 years now, and it still looks good with the wash and set. Granted, I did have to keep cutting the lace a little more and more, but yeah, it comes with wear and tear, and I think they say that their wigs last a year, but honestly, with proper care and a good wig rotation, you can probably wear it for years. For starters, I received the hair. It came in a box. It's so cute. It says, "We know switching it up is everything, so unbox the love." Aww, and it's from Helena, the founder of LuvMe hair. The wig came in one of these little baggies, and the box, it came with a brush, purple like my pajamas, from LuvMe hair. How cute. And then it comes with a wig grip. That's your thing, it comes with one of it. Also came with a wig cap, which I'm so surprised at how they were able to determine which skin color I'll be. I don't use wig caps for my wigs, I just use a wig grip, and I can link that below. And I mean, it's on there really tight and it's not going anywhere, no sliding, no none of that. So it also comes with a user's guide. It's just funny to think about if your hair comes with a manual, but you would not need the manual if you're watching this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how I install it and some of the specs. So for starters, it does have a 5x5 lace closure, and what that means is that they have a ventilated piece of fabric that just goes 5 inches this way and then 5 inches that way, so you can get a 13x5 or by 4, which is a little shorter. And this part goes pretty deep because it is 5, so you get a lot of parting space. So they have 4 combs all together. They have 2 in the front, which is like right here, and I'm not even using the combs, just for comfort. They have one right here at the top of the closure, which I did not hook, and then they have one in the back, which is supposed to kind of help keep the wig secured down. This is what the hair looks like once it's done. Straight out the pack, you can already tell the lace is really decent. There is foundation on the other side of the lace, and it's already blended really well. So we are making some good progress. And this is the first try of it on. I did adjust the tab a little bit, and so far I like where my ears fall. Okay, usually there's, depending on the lace, there's like a weird ear thing, but I think my ears fall really comfortable with this. This is what that front looks like. I might just go in here and just tweeze a little bit just to give it a more natural hairline. I'm going to actually tweeze off camera and then just come back and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after tweezing it just a little bit. I tried not to go overboard. Pretty plug and play. So I'm just gonna style it. And then I am gonna go in with a hot comb. If you are using this as a tutorial, just be careful because these things are hot. Honestly, it doesn't require that much styling like out the box. Ta-da! Alright, that is it cut. Honestly, very minimal styling. If this was the length you wanted it, you can just probably go in and just leave it as this. I think it's slightly shorter in the back, but I do want like a bing, like a right there bob. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and cut this, yeah, and then show you what the final product looks like. Alright, so I'm back. This is what the hair looks like once it's been cut. It's like, you know, like a bob. I didn't really get a chance to see the back, but and it is 100% glueless. I like this hair so far. Pros, obviously everything I said was a pro. If there were to be a con, because I can't think of a con to give you guys, honestly. I've had wigs that were custom made. Because they are longer in the parting, there's bulkiness like on the crown, on fit and stuff, and I'm not experiencing any of that with this wig, so that's a huge plus. I feel like they changed their design because I've had wigs from them that once this is going on and laid flat, you have like a little hump right here that kind of goes upwards, and it's a giveaway. But I'm not experiencing that with this unit. So I don't think it's as affordable as it used to be. It is still on the affordable side in terms of wigs. I hope you enjoyed watching this video about my LuvMe hair unit. It's giving bob, it's giving fall, it's giving period. So if I had to pick a con, and like it's hard to tell in the video, but it's not like jet black, and I typically love my hair like jet black, but it's really hard to tell that it has like hints of like red and brown in the back. It's not like completely jet black, but other than that, construction is like a 10. Lace is like a 10. This is a winner for me. LuvMe hair got me loving the bob. Well, hope you enjoyed watching this video of this LuvMe hair review. If you are considering getting it, let me know. And if you have questions about it, just comment them down below and let's just chat about it. Are you team wig, team no wig, team leave out? Like, where you at in terms of the hair game? Let's chat in the comments. Talk to you guys later. Bye.